In a historic first, Ukraine has created the world's first dedicated military drone branch, the Unmanned Systems Force, USF. This new division is a direct response to the brutal, unprovoked invasion by Russia, a much larger and heavily armed aggressor. But rather than relying solely on traditional military strategies, Ukraine has turned to cutting-edge drone warfare as a force multiplier, a way to level the battlefield against a superior enemy. Today, we're diving into what makes Ukraine's Unmanned Systems Force unique, why it was formed, and how it is changing modern warfare forever. The nationwide reaction of citizens of all ages to the unprovoked Russian invasion spoke loud and clear. Ukraine was not going to go down without a fight. Surrender to Russian dictator Putin is not an option for Ukraine. Tens of thousands of civilians immediately began to line up to volunteer for military service. Thousands more civilians stood in line to be given guns to fight back and defend their homes. Grandmas began making Molotov cocktails at home by the hundreds. Farmers began towing Russian equipment away with their tractors the moment they were left idle. Citizens were standing in front of tanks and telling Russian soldiers to go home that they were not welcome. When the Ukrainian government was offered a quick way to escape the overwhelming onslaught, they unanimously passed. Instead of abandoning their country, like the world had just witnessed by the leadership of Afghanistan. President Zelensky shook the world with his statement, "I do not need a ride, I need ammo." So the stage was set for a historic David and Goliath showdown. Ukraine found itself vastly outnumbered in troops, tanks, artillery and aircraft. But Ukraine had something else: true courage, innovation, adaptability, and a thriving tech sector. Drones quickly became a game changer. Small commercial drones, military UAVs, and long-range strike drones all played a crucial role in surveillance, reconnaissance, and direct attacks. From the first days of the invasion, Ukraine's creative use of UAVs was grabbing the world's attention. Daily viral videos began popping up of nighttime thermal images targeting Russian convoys, ending in spectacular explosions. Prior to the invasion, Ukraine had ordered several drones called Bayraktar TB2. The Bayraktar TB2 is a tactical armed /UAV system developed and manufactured by Baykar, a highly sophisticated design that provides all solutions that operator may need in one integrated system. Since Russia was supposedly the second strongest military in the world, it seemed like these small drones would have little to no effect. Russia boasts of having the world's very best anti-air defense systems. Yet, somehow day after day, new videos of Russian equipment targeted from aerial thermal sites exploding. Ukraine's military posted a music video on YouTube of their Bayraktar song that went viral. It was learned early on that drones were going to be an effective force multiplier, so effective that entire Russian convoys, tank units and artillery positions were being destroyed without Ukraine having to risk soldiers' lives. But Ukraine realized it needed more than just drones. It needed a structured, centralized command, specifically for unmanned warfare. That's why, in 2024, President Volodymyr Zelensky approved the formation of the Unmanned Systems Force, USF, a dedicated branch of the...
The battlefield has changed. Gone are the days of traditional warfare. Today, the skies hum with a new breed of warrior, the drone. Unmanned, relentless and deadly, drones are reshaping the face of modern combat. And at the forefront of this revolution stands Ukraine. Ukraine has embraced drone technology like no other nation before. Facing a numerically superior adversary, they have turned to innovation and ingenuity to level the playing field. The result? A drone force unlike any other, one that has caught the attention of the world. Ukraine's journey into the heart of drone warfare began out of necessity. Faced with a formidable foe, they needed a way to strike back, to gather intelligence, to defend their land. Drones, with their versatility and adaptability, provided the answer. Recognizing the transformative potential of drones, Ukraine took an unprecedented step. They created the world's first fully integrated military drone force, the Unmanned Systems Force, or USF. This bold move signaled a new era in warfare, one where unmanned systems would play a pivotal role. The USF is not merely a collection of drones, it is a highly organized and specialized force, structured into 3 distinct battalions: air, land and sea. Each battalion is equipped and trained for specific missions, working in concert to deliver an overwhelming advantage on the battlefield. The creation of the USF marked a turning point in Ukraine's war effort. It provided a unified command structure for drone operations, fostering innovation and ensuring seamless coordination between different units. The Air Battalion is the most visible and perhaps the most celebrated component of the USF. Equipped with a diverse fleet of drones, from small reconnaissance quadcopters to larger armed platforms, the Air Battalion provides a constant aerial presence over the battlefield. Their tasks are vielfältig. Reconnaissance drones act as the eyes of the Ukrainian military, feeding real-time intelligence on enemy positions, movements and fortifications. This information is crucial for directing artillery strikes, planning ambushes and coordinating troop movements. But the Air Battalion's role extends far beyond reconnaissance. Armed with guided missiles and bombs, their drones can deliver precise and devastating strikes against enemy targets, from tanks and armored vehicles to command centers and supply lines. While the Air Battalion dominates the skies, the Land Battalion brings the fight to the enemy on the ground. Equipped with a range of unmanned ground vehicles, UGVs, the Land Battalion performs a variety of roles, from reconnaissance and combat support to logistics and casualty evacuation. One of the Land Battalion's most formidable assets is the Lyut ground drone. This heavily armed and armored UGV is equipped with a powerful machine gun and advanced sensors, allowing it to engage enemy infantry, provide fire support to friendly troops, and even clear minefields. But the Land Battalion's capabilities extend beyond brute force. Smaller, nimbler UGVs are used for reconnaissance and intelligence gathering in urban environments and other areas too dangerous for human soldiers. They can slip into tight spaces, scout ahead of advancing troops, and even plant explosives on enemy positions. Section 5. Silent Guardians, the Sea Battalion. The newest addition to the Ukrainian security forces, the Sea Battalion, extends Ukraine's reach into the maritime domain. Equipped with unmanned surface vessels, or USVs, the Sea Battalion is tasked with patrolling Ukraine's coastline, protecting critical infrastructure, and challenging Russian naval dominance in the Black Sea. These USVs, armed with missiles and machine guns, can engage enemy ships, disrupt supply lines, and defend Ukraine's ports and coastal cities. They are also equipped with sophisticated sensors for reconnaissance and intelligence gathering, providing valuable information on enemy naval activity. The Sea Battalion's importance has grown significantly since its inception, particularly in light of Russia's blockade of Ukrainian ports. Their ability to challenge larger warships and disrupt maritime operations has made them a critical component of Ukraine's defense strategy. Section 6. A symphony of steel and software real-time information sharing. What truly sets the USF apart is not just its advanced technology, but its innovative approach to information warfare. All 3 battalions are linked together by a sophisticated network, allowing them to share real-time intelligence, coordinate attacks, and adapt to changing battlefield conditions with unprecedented speed and flexibility. Imagine this. A reconnaissance drone from the Air Battalion spots a column of enemy tanks advancing towards a Ukrainian position. This information is instantly relayed to the Land Battalion, which dispatches a swarm of armed UGVs to intercept the enemy. Meanwhile, the Sea Battalion, alerted to the threat, repositions its USVs to prevent a flanking maneuver from the sea. This seamless integration of air, land, and sea capabilities, all orchestrated through a shared information network, gives the USF an unparalleled advantage. It allows them to react faster, strike harder, and outmaneuver their adversary at every turn. Section 7. International collaboration bolstering Ukraine's drone force. Ukraine's drone revolution has not happened in isolation. Recognizing the significance of Ukraine's struggle and the potential of its drone program, international partners have stepped up to provide crucial support. Lithuania, for example, has supplied Ukraine with advanced AI-powered drones capable of overcoming Russian jamming efforts. These drones, with their enhanced autonomy and resilience, are playing a crucial role in countering Russian electronic warfare. Meanwhile, the Norwegian army, impressed by the effectiveness of Ukrainian FPV first-person view drone tactics, has begun incorporating similar methods into their own training programs. This exchange of knowledge and expertise highlights the global impact of Ukraine's drone innovations. Section 8. A new era of warfare lessons learned and future implications. Ukraine's successful integration of drones into its military doctrine has far-reaching implications for the future of warfare. It has demonstrated that even smaller nations with the right technology and tactics can effectively challenge larger adversaries. The conflict in Ukraine has become a proving ground for drone technology, showcasing its potential not only for offensive and defensive operations, but also for intelligence gathering, target acquisition, and psychological warfare. As the war continues, the USF will undoubtedly continue to evolve, incorporating new technologies, refining its tactics, and inspiring a new generation of drone warriors around the world. Section 9. Conclusion: Ukraine's enduring legacy. Ukraine's drone revolution is a testament to human ingenuity and the enduring spirit of a nation fighting for its survival. By embracing innovation and challenging conventional military thinking, Ukraine has rewritten the rules of modern warfare. The USF, with its integrated air, land, and sea capabilities, is not just a formidable fighting force, it is a symbol of hope, a beacon of resistance, and a glimpse into the future of warfare. And as the world watches in awe, one thing is clear: Ukraine's drone legacy will endure long after the guns have fallen silent.